So every machine must go. Is that right, Martyn?
Absolutely. Everything you see in the showroom is going on the 11th of October. Yeah.
Wow. Have you done this before?
We have, yeah. We sometimes do it every 12 to 18 months, and it normally gets a lot of hype. We get customers from all over coming to these events.
Well, actually, it's in Nuneaton, so you can travel here from all over the UK, which is an ideal location. But I just still can't get my head around the fact that you've done it before and everything must sell. So people are going to get a great deal. These are ex-demo machines, right?
Ex-demo deals, so everything from our Prototrack range, bed mills, lathes, right up to our 3 metre 780 lathe that we've got here. Everything must go.
Come on, let's have a look.
Going around to this side of the room, this is where our more production bias machines are. So we've got our turning centres, with live tooling, we've got our machining centres, linear rails, we've got the heavy duty boxway machines. Everything here is for sale.
Wonderful. And the Prototrack as well, is that right?
Yeah, so we've got our new range of machining centres with the Prototrack control on. They're also available as well.
So, Wednesday, the 11th of October, great event for people to come together. What would you say to anyone who is maybe going, right, I'm going to get in my car and turn up? What are they going to see? What are they going to do?
They're going to see lots. This is just a small snippet of our range, remember? So we've got other machines next door as well that are going to be available on the day. So come and see us.
Well, there you have it. You're excited, I'm excited. Over 25 machines that you can get your hand on. You can buy one, you can buy two, you can buy as many as you wish on Wednesday, the 11th of October here in Nuneaton, 9 till 3.